Pero Angela pickup from Indonesia, talking about like weird unorthodox strat. Ito, talamak naman sa RG to, pero to pull it off in this lineup of Indonesia, may combo naman, may kakombo with the Joy. Pero the question is, can they actually execute this knowing na yung mid lane pressure ay kakaiba mula sa Team Philippines, tapos Angela yung hawak mo sa mid. Karoon ng farm itong Joy jungle nila for Team Indonesia. And as we say that, grabe, may gank kagad sa may bottom lane.
Yeah, gonna be the Lancelot now. It will be a little bit of a tussle once again. Again, may retribution itong Joy ng Indonesia. At mukhang hindi napapalag ang Philippines when it comes to that retry. Masyado nang late. Turtle now goes for the Joy. Nahuli pa dito si De La Cruz. And De La Cruz goes down because of that.
Indonesia. And ito yung, again, yung binabaki natin kanina, ano yung kapag yung lineup nila kaya mag-brawl. Speaking about brawl, this is my bottom lane, Vinuya getting punished. Poked down to half HP. And ito yung threat ng Angela. Mobius! Final slash, hindi tatama.
Para sa Indonesia because of their mages. But meron ng clash dito. Unahan na itong si Hilda. Joy activates the ultimate dito kay Hilda. Will not kill him off. Napakadang flicker out. And now, the Joy is in trouble. What a final slash mula dito kay Vinuya. Nahuli nga naman dito yung Joy. Joy goes down now. Nepomuceno doon sa may turtle. Uunahan na ng Phoveus sa ngayon. Dealing the damage. Members of Indonesia. Nasasaktan si Kartizi. Kartizi goes down. And in fact, yung turtle mananakaw pa ng isang Gatot Kacha Watts.
Getting that turtle. And hindi pa sila tapos, men. Lalaban pa si Widdy. Pero nandito si Soriano. Left mula kay Pabico. Tutuloy ba? Widdy? Can he get out?
Lalaban. Naku po, ang kulat ni Widdy dito with a sustain and income sa Lapu-Lapu. Taken out. Yung dalawang membro ng Philippines at hindi pa siya tapos. Hindi niya itutuloy kahit tempting na apat yung mga membro pwede niya mahuli sa kanyang taunt. Samantala, De La Cruz poking itong ating Joy. Joy with 80% HP. Goes back na Nepomuceno getting poked as well. Pinupunta na dito. What a stun! What a knock-up mula doon sa ating Phoveus. Nepomuceno is down. Turtle naman para sa Indonesia. What a great catch mula kay Aranda with that flicker. And they're not done. Gatot Kacha misses the AOG. Flicker out para kay Pabico. Para lang maligtas. Vinuya hindi na tama yung final slash.
Problem ng Team Philippines ngayon is si Aranda. Yung Phoveus sa may bandang harapan. Papasok dito si Chin. Naghaharap lang siya ng invade dito sa may purple buff and he actually gets... Napaangat! Mapapatay ba yung Joy? He goes down!
Oh my goodness. A misstep coming out from the Joy. Now they want more. Team Philippines, 4 versus 1. Lapu-lapong galit ang kanilang inahaban ngayon. But the sustain from Leonardo is there. Napakakunat. The damage nga lang mula kay Vinuya as well. Joy gets it for now.
Hard guard.
Slowly nakapag-push. There is committed with the hard guard committed quite early dito sa Phoveus ulit. Pero nabubukod nila members ng Philippines. Vinuya scats out the Lord. Alam nila half HP. Widdy nandun sa may gitna. Gusto mo malag AOG. Misses the market kasi De La Cruz para lang maghanap ng targets dito. Pero yung Indonesia hanging on.